Oh, hi.
Hi.
I didn't see you there.
Yeah, what are you up to?
Oh, you know, a little bit of this. Oh, that was close. Looks like I'm leaking some oil. Love to see it.
Oh, there he is. Snap at me.
Oh my god, what is... No way. There's a nut missing off of the stock exhaust manifold. Yeah, let me see that real quick. I'm gonna try to show. Never pulled this stock thing off. Focus. 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 Yeah. Stock exhaust manifold, no nut. It looks like it was there at one point. Well, it makes my job a little bit easier. Here you go.
Looking at the bright side of things, right?
Why is that line dented in? Oh my god, what's going on? Well, anyway.
Not such a great idea suddenly, huh?
Everything is falling apart. So now I'm pulling off my O2 sensor because catless. Which way do I go? Can you get me dikes, please? Is this a pleasant angle?
Yeah, it's very flattering.
Can you see me struggling already?
Kind of.
Alright, so I got those off. Now I could pull this off. Maybe. I'm honestly terrified to do this part because the way the events turned out the first time.
What happened the first time?
It took like 6 hours to get one off.
Oh.
Yeah. Everything's gonna be fine. Everything is gonna go very well.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, people has that shit.
It's gonna drip on me.
This was your idea?
Oh, yes it was.
Okay, as long as you're aware of that.
And a mixture. Ah, it dripped on me! That felt gross. Oh, I only have the shit line to wipe me off with. Clean yourself up.
Gave you a second shit rag. Take it.
Thanks.
What's it
All you have to do is clean this shit.
Don't worry about it.
No, what are you doing? No. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Don't worry about it.
No! I don't want all of them!
I'm not giving you all of them. Why don't you just stop assuming that I'm doing dumb shit?
Because you always do dumb shit.
I do not always do dumb shit.
I feel dumb shit. This is way heavier than... Yep. This is dumb. You even put good Old Faithful on there. Look at that.
You said a really, 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 really long extension.
Yeah, by really long, I mean this. Not slightly
that's
sloping to the left.
That's just a long extension.
Oh my god. Please don't shear.
Don't snap it off like I snapped mine.
Oh, there it is.
It's a nice sound.
Wait, wait.
Stop staring at me. Don't make eye contact while you do that. Don't smile like that. Focus on your work.
Look at me. I am focused. Just make sure you like separate the videos so it's not like 20-minute long segments, please.
Yeah, I'm doing like 10 minutes at a time.
No, do like 5.
Okay, I'll do 5 minutes at a time. There's one 10-minute one in there though, so have fun with that.
It's moving.
Key.
What?
No.
Okay.
Where'd you go?
Melody. It's already like easier to deal with. Oh, there's a bracket. Oh no. Man.
Whoa.
Oh.
Oh. Look who's actually going to use my contraption. Look at that.
Not to bed. Not to bed. Let's spray this without f***ing up my toilets. No room having a garage.
And we want to move to a house with a smaller garage?
No. Who said that? There it is. You take it?
Huh?
Take it.
No.
Take it. Hey guys, it's day 2 of working on the WRX for the Killer Bee external wastegate setup and the NVIDIA N1 complete exhaust with the catless downpipe. I had to stop. I had to take a break last Sunday because Sunday was my only day off. I had to work through the weekend. I have to pull the turbo and the exhaust manifold together. It kind of poses a couple problems because I have to disconnect all the coolant lines. That just means I need another thing of coolant. That way when I slap everything together, I can go ahead and bleed the coolant system, get all the air out. What I'm about to do is disconnect all the coolant lines from the turbo and drop the exhaust manifold and the turbo all together. Because I'm running the external wastegate setup, I have to figure out what I want to do with the internal wastegate on the stock turbo. I really don't want to weld the wastegate shut because if I ever want to reverse this process, I'll be stuck. I'm going to see if I can fabricate a bracket and then try to put everything back together. So here we can see the Killer Bee external wastegate setup and my catless downpipe. I got all the nuts out that hold it up. I found out that on the opposite side, this one in the center somehow wiggled free between when I bought the car and now. It looks like there's been an exhaust leak up there this whole time. I got all of the coolant lines and everything off this guy. Everything's ready to go. Hey, look what it is! It's a piece of shit! That was probably one of the most annoying things, and I'll show you why. I don't know if this specific issue was remnants of an accident I had, like the first year I had the car. See that shit right there? Yeah, it was coming in contact with that corner. But yeah, you could see right here, I had a massive exhaust leak. You see how this one is right here? That one's like, it's not in the way. And then you come over to this one and it's in the way. I don't know why. My next task, pull this heat shield off and pull this guy off, and hopefully I could fabricate something that goes from here to the internal wastegate. You can't see because I blocked it off. So a lot of guys don't show this or talk about this, and I think it's a really big job, at least for the FA20s, is that if you're gonna go with a catless downpipe and the external wastegate setup, you have to do something about your internal wastegate. Well, a lot of guys, they'll weld the internal wastegate so they don't have to worry about it anymore. But if you weld the internal wastegate, you can't go back. Your turbo is going to be forever welded. What I wanna do, I remove this assembly and build a bracket that goes from here, mounts here, and it holds this wastegate door shut. Finally got the stock wastegate bullshit off. I built this one. No wiggle room. Nothing. So now I gotta snap this onto that. Alright, the turbo is now on the Killer Bee manifold. I'm so excited. But I got the manifold on the car. Now I just need to order new exhaust manifold bolts because that one got lost. I got the gaskets on. I got it hung by 2 nuts right now. So now I just need to put all these little lines and doodads back on, and then I can finish up. Just finished routing the vacuum lines and getting everything permanently installed. I don't really like that, but it's keeping it off the headers, which is my #1 goal. Got the exhaust on. Everything else is on. Intake's on. All that's on. Time to start the car. Come on, Josh.
Especially when you're out.
Today's the day.
What's next?
Talk to Ron, get him to tune it. Yeah, everything seems fine. It didn't overheat. I still want to bleed the coolant,
Yeah.
but we need to go to Subaru for that.
Subaru. But first, let's finish the smoothies.